Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an oval face attractive. Oval faces are often considered versatile, and the right hairstyle can truly enhance their natural beauty. For instance, soft layers around your face can add movement and dimension. A deep side part can also create a lovely, asymmetrical balance. You might also consider curtain bangs or wispy fringes to draw attention to your eyes and cheekbones, adding a touch of softness to your overall appearance. Now let's talk about makeup. For an oval face, the goal is to enhance your features rather than reshape them. When applying blush, smile and place it on the apples of your cheeks, sweeping upwards towards your hairline. Highlighting your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and your Cupid's bow will bring light to your face. A very light contour under your cheekbones can add subtle definition, emphasizing your natural bone structure beautifully. Moving on to eyebrows and accessories, these small details make a big difference. For eyebrows, a soft arch that follows your natural brow bone is ideal, avoiding overly sharp or angular shapes. When choosing earrings, consider styles that add a bit of width or length, like medium-sized hoops or elegant drop earrings, which can beautifully frame your face. For eyeglasses, frames that are slightly wider than your face can create a harmonious and balanced look. Finally, let's discuss skincare and overall confidence. A healthy, glowing complexion is always attractive, so commit to a consistent skincare routine tailored to your needs. Remember to drink plenty of water, aiming for at least 8 glasses a day, to keep your skin hydrated and radiant from within. Ultimately, the most attractive quality is confidence. Embrace your unique features and let your inner self shine through. That's truly captivating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.